Well, thanks, Kelly. We're doing pretty good. This is a nice way to end out the year on a dry note. We're going to have some sunshine once this fog burns off in those areas of concern. But here's how things are shaping up, things you need to know when it comes to the weather. So we're going to be dry. It looks like through the dropping of the ball, we're all going to be able to enjoy that. We're just going to begin the next year on a very, very soggy note. Temperatures are seasonable. Yeah, this is really nice. We're about where we should be with the average high and the average low, and then turning unsettled, as I mentioned. Drought-wise, we're doing pretty good. It looks like we're going to end this year just behind slightly. Less than a half an inch. It's like 0.4 of an inch. That's not bad at all. But yesterday, 65 degrees. I mean, we'll take that, won't we? 56 is your average and 37, and we were even higher than that for an overnight low, so we're living large, everyone. Good way to end the year. Temperature-wise, we are currently just 8 degrees cooler than we were yesterday, so there's a little significant change here. But notice there are several places. Eureka, you're up 3. Willows, you're down 8. So again, that's typically where we're finding that heavy, higher humidity and that fog is forming. But temperature-wise, Mount Shasta, 28 degrees, you would expect it to be there. And again, you can find where you're living. You get the temperature. Again, these are not bad. Quincy, you're at 24, but Paradise, 41. So it's not bad. Now, our winds are very light across the board. Now, you can see the streamlined winds coming off some of the higher terrain. That's to be expected. For the most part, though, this is the concern we have, are the visibilities. It seems to be growing in its size this morning, and it's expanding a little bit, but when you have 1/2 mile visibility, yeah, please, extreme caution is needed. As we take a look, that dense fog advisory is in effect until 11 a.m. The last 48 hours, we haven't had any rainfall. The next 24, we're not going to see it as well, but we are going to see it when we come to January 1. Temperature-wise, we're looking at highs to be quite nice. And again, when it comes to the snowfall, this is the 3-day forecast. This is the 7-day. And we are going to find the snow levels drop somewhat. Now, the jet stream is well to the north of us, so this next rain event is not going to be an atmospheric river. It's coming up from the south, but it's going to be with us for several days because you combine that with what's coming on shore. And this wet weather that's going to be upon us is going to be with us for some time. So again, we're going to run through the scenarios for you, and you can see where that rainfall is going to be picking up, and we'll be talking about that for some time. All right, here's your 7-day outlook, everyone. Notice the rainfall. There it is, Wednesday through Monday across the entire board.